Ginia.com. Joytech. Hi, today I'm gonna explain you about Joytech E-Mod, most advanced model in Joytech. This is the most upgraded model. This is a classic kit. This kit comes with two mouthpieces. One is cylindrical one and one more is flat one. You can use either of these. And this is the place where we fill liquid and screw it. You can see two holes here, both the sides. Place a tip of the liquid bottle to any of this hole and just press. This kit comes with two C2 heads. C2 heads. The resistance of C2 heads is 2.4 ohms. It generates more amount of vapor compared to other models in Joytech. And this atomizer. This is the place where we place C2 head, atomizer head or C2 head. To remove this, turn towards your right and remove. Again to lock, place this and turn towards your left. Now it's locked. Now it's locked. This holds 3 ml of liquid in it, but we suggest to fill 2.4 ml to 2.5 ml. The more the vacuum you have, you'll get the more vapors. And this is control head, E-Mod control head. And this is E-Mod tube. In bottom, you can remove this, and this is the place where we put the battery. It is 2500 mAh battery. Positive terminal will go inside. You can see a small hole here. This is a airflow control hole. You can see a semicircle knob here. If the semicircle knob is downwards, the airflow will be more. More the airflow, more the vapors. If it's towards your left hand side or right hand side, the airflow will be medium. If it is towards top, airflow will be less. And in control head, you can see a ring. You can rotate this 360 degrees. You can see a small dot here. It shows in which voltage you are operating the battery. and 5 clicks is on. Now it's on, and 5 clicks is off. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Now it's off. It blinks and it's off. And you can see VV, VW, RVB and RVW. VV means variable voltage. VW means variable wattage. RVB, real-time variable voltage. RVW, real-time variable wattage. To change this mode, hold this button for 3 seconds. It changes. Now it's in RVW. Again, if you hold for 3 seconds, it will change for RVW. Next, RVW. In VV variable, in variable voltage mode, you can vary the voltage. In variable wattage mode, you can vary the wattage. RVV. Most of the customer doesn't know what RVB and RVW means. Actually, you have to connect this for MVR software. If you connect this for MVR software, this mode is named as real-time variable voltage. It allows you to set different voltage outputs in 10 seconds via MVR software. Under this mode, the battery output different voltage over time during inhalation according to the settings. And you'll get a wall adapter. This is a USB charger. This is the place where we connect it. The USB charger. This will plug for USB, and we will get a wall adapter along with this. This is the wall adapter. This is a classic kit. The beauty of this kit is this airflow control system. Thank you.